Okay, good morning, guys, and welcome to another episode of 130 Technicals. As we all know, this is basically a market outlook session. We get to see what opportunities we can grab from the market, and you guys get to see more of my strategy, how I get my entries and exits, and then this basically from my perspective, like how I get to see the markets. Before we get started, before we start proper, for those that are watching this video on YouTube, please like and subscribe to the page, and please make sure share the video and then drop comments on what you want to be seeing more. Now, let's start. Fundamental wise, we don't have any high impact news today. It's just low impact news and then mid impact news by one to three. So it's nothing, it's not going to be anything eventful from what we're seeing, but then you know how the market is. Some days low impact news will move the markets. Now, okay, let me change this to my personalized stuff. This is the one I use for work. Let's see. Oh God, network. Let me load another one. A sec. Why is it even like this now? The stuff I said about. Okay, I think we're on now. Okay, cool. We're back on. So let's take a look at what we can get. Let's start with AUD USD, yeah? Wow. So the thing is, this is AUD USD. AUD USD in general is still inside that range, yeah? We're still ranging, we're exiting and coming back inside the range. But then if you look at it, inside the range, we still have small structure that we can still trade. Do you understand? Now, let me show you guys something. This was yesterday. We had some sort of shift in market structure here. Price tapped here, pushed it down. We created another low, shifted structure. We came back and we tested that area that was broken, and then now we're actually pushing up. So we can still trade all this minor structure inside this range. Yeah, let me see. Okay, there was no entry criteria like that. There was more of a break and then a retest or structure. So basically, that's what we're going to be doing instead. We're going to be trading. Let's see if we'll still be able to trade some minor structure today. So now price is headed to the distance. Price is headed to. Let's see, price is headed to the high of that range. Price is headed to the high of that range. Let's see if price will be able to actually break above it or price will come to break below. So now, if I actually break below here, we'll be looking for a retest. But then if we break above, then we'll basically continue this small uptrend that started from here. So let's just watch out and see what happens. Yeah. Now, NZD USD. NZD USD. So now, NZD USD exited this range yesterday, yeah. So now we've come inside. It's more of like we're having that retest now. Let me clear all of this. So this was the high of the range, yeah. And then price broke above it, so price closed above it, and then now price is coming back down. Price retraced, tap inside here, and then now actually pushing up. So I feel price actually is pushing up, but at the same time, it doesn't matter what I feel. Let's just see what the market will do. So we have these highs here. That's where we're going to be looking at. Let's see if price will be able to break above it. If price breaks above it, then we would be looking for a retest to continue the trend. Yeah. Now, What if we don't break above? We can look to see if price actually will shift again to the downside, but that will actually be frustrating. So let's just watch and see how price behaves. That's all. Then Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD. This one, as if it's still inside that range. It's not really inside the range. Let's see. I feel I'm actually going to leave this one for now. I'm not going to touch it yet. I'll leave it to Abeg. Let me just highlight this highs here and wait to see if price will get there. That's all. For now, I'm going to leave it alone. Then GBP USD. GBP USD, I'll look at this low and let's see if price will come to break below it. If we break below it, then I'll be looking for a retest there. And then not just that, this high here. This one. That's basically what I'll be looking out for on this pairs. Let's see. Let me set alerts at this point so I don't miss it. These days I've been missing a lot of setups. Let me set another alert up here. Now, gold. What do I have to say about this pair? So gold, we actually broke above. I think there were some markups we had on gold yesterday. We actually broke above this high yesterday, and then price came to tap inside, and then now price is pushing up. So let's watch and see if price will be able to come back to this level and break above it. Now, if we break above this level, what we'll be looking for basically is a retest. So that's what I'm going to be looking at for on gold. That's all. That's all for now. Is there any other pair you guys want us to take a look at before we go? Or what questions do you guys have before we go? Okay. The absence of any question or any pair to look at, we'll call it a session. Yeah. So now, please, the markets right now is it's not really tricky, but then it requires more attention to actually get all those trades. Yeah. So please, let's pay attention. Don't trade it. Don't trade what you feel the market is doing. Please trade what the market is actually doing. So I'll catch you guys same time tomorrow. Take care, guys.